Hey you guys, how you all are doing? I hope all of you are keeping well. So I am Shantika and again I'm back with another video of Brown Slayers. So what this video is all about? Today I am gonna try to film a vlog kind of a thing. As you can see that I am in my pajamas as it's just 10:30. I woke 1 hour ago. I had my breakfast and now I'm just filming this. So tomorrow is 23rd August. 23rd August is my sister's birthday, that is Shanika's birthday, and I am so damn excited about it. Like, obviously I am excited. So for this pandemic I can't make it possible to buy anything. I can't make it possible to order anything online because I was really very sick for a few days. I couldn't manage to order anything online. So the thing is, today is Saturday and I'm left with no time. So whatever I have to do in this 24 hours. No, it's nearly 10:30 now, so I don't have 24 hours also. I think I have 16 hours. Like, apart from my leisure times, I will be getting only 16 hours, and within that I have to manage something for her. So what I am up to? I am up with a explosion box idea. I have sorted that I will make a explosion box for her, and inside that, like, I can't give the explosion box just like that. I need to put something inside it. So I have managed to get some earrings bought from one Insta seller. I ordered it months ago, about for her birthday only, and I have, sorry why I'm just putting my hand in front of the camera, whatever it is. Now I have just somehow managed to receive it as soon as possible because she was not able to deliver it at the right time. So I just called her and I was like, dude, just give me my product, I need it, give it to me. So somehow I've got it, and I have planned that I will put it on inside the explosion box, and I will make a jewelry for her because she is a fan of handmade jewelries. So I thought that why shouldn't I make a jewelry by myself and gift her? She would love it. So what I have planned is I will make an explosion box, I will make a jewelry. So I need some time. And when I was thinking about all this stuff, so I just thought that why should not I film it? Like, I can make a vlog and I can share it with you guys so that we can celebrate the birthday together. It will be a fun thing. I don't think that I will be able to show you everything because it takes time, and I don't think that I will make a video of 1 hour. Obviously not. So what I'll do, I'll try to film and show you guys the most important parts, and do let me know if you want a full detailed tutorial of an explosion box. I can make it. So yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm trying to make the jewelry and the end result. And the most exciting part is I'm gonna wish her on Saturday, like today only, but at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. 12 a.m. So we are gonna take you guys. I'm gonna take you guys to that. Okay. So you have to stay tuned and watch the entire video, because it's gonna be fun. Like, I just want to share her expressions, share her first impression of getting an explosion box at your birthday night. It's something special, right? And I'm gonna share it with you guys. So let's start with the explosion box making. Okay, now what else? Let's start. So basically you need to take any kind of drawing paper, any kind of art paper, and then you are supposed to make a square of 27 centimeter. Okay, cut that piece out from that big sheet, and you have to divide this 27 centimeter into 3 equal parts, that is 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter. After this, draw lines horizontally and vertically, and you will get good 9 squares in your hand, and then cut some slits, and soon you will get to know that why we are doing this. Okay, for folding the paper, I'm using the opposite side of the scissor. You can also use the ruler itself. It's more than enough. And I'm just ensuring that the center of this paper gets the maximum amount of flexibility so that I can make that box like structure out of this. And I will paste it with the glue. Okay, here I am using my giant Fevicol's tub. After repeating the same steps, I have got 3 layers in my hand. I have just got squares of the measurements. I feel like there is no hard and soul rule that you need to do square of this measurement or that measurement. Whatever you feel like, you can do. I have made small boxes so that I can use them as the lid of this layers. Now I have decorated them with this kind of fun elements. Now I am just in an attempt of making a paper napkin card. This is a special kind of a card which I learnt in my school, and I'm just trying to make it. It's taking a bit of time, so what I did, I just fast forwarded the thing so that the video runs really fast, and I'm just making it. Soon you will see that the card will unfold and fold so nicely, and I love this kind of small origami kind of things. So after making this, I will just paste it in the layers of the explosion box so that it looks pretty. And I don't know that what I will write inside or how the entire thing will look at the end, but I hope it will look good. So I'm just now I will cut small pieces of the pink sheet, because basically the entire explosion box is going to be a combination of pink and black. So I'm just measuring the pink sheet, and I will cut small cubes, and then I will paste it with glue, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I'm just left with my jewelry thing. I have completed the maximum part of it. I'm just left with the center portion, like the middle thing, and it takes time to do the work minutely, and also I have to check the longevity of the jewelry. I love the combination of silver and black, and so does she. She's a fan of black and silver jewelry. So I used thread balls and silver charms. How the entire top is looking. I used foam sheets to make this bow kind of a thing, and here is the side. It's love, just love, and this I tried to do patterns, okay, and I ended with this. Whatever. Now this is the lid. This is the first layer, and I'm gonna open it. Da da da. What is there? Here is a thing. I wrote this cliche line. Why I don't know. Queens are born in August. Wow. Here I have a handwritten note for her. Here I wrote open you. Like, who the hell even does this ugly thing? I don't know. Okay, here it's, oh damn, happy birthday, lady love. Okay, now here I have some cute things. It's like, oh my god, my love you too, the moon at the back. And here I wrote few lines for her. You are important and can't live without you, like some cute stuffs for her. And then this is a game. This game I will not show you guys right now. I'm gonna show you guys when I will gift it to her at 12. Okay, so let's open. Wow, yay. So I just kept this earrings over here, Okay, these earrings, and then I have the other layer. I made the leads like this. Let's see what is there inside. Ooh, I have this jewelry. Oh god, I'm so loving this. Like, this is not the perfect thing. I wrote here that not perfect, I know, but I know, but lots of love. Okay. I just wrote whatever came in my mind. I don't know. So now I will close it. So I'm done with that box making and all. Now I'll go to kitchen and I will help my ma to make payesh for Didi. I will wait for 12, and when it will hit 12 a.m. then I'm gonna go and wish her. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys. I will wish her in front of the camera only, so that you can get that how is her expression. And I know that you are excited to know that how the earrings and how the jewelry actually look. So I'm gonna show you that also. Wait. Hey guys, so I'm again back. So it is almost 12, like it's actually 12 and it's 23rd August 12. I'm going to wish her now, and I'm really very excited. Like, I just want to know how her reaction is when she gets the gift. And about my hair, like, this is under oil process. Like, every night when I get into my bed, I positively make sure to do a oiling process, and so it is like this. So please spare me with that, and let's see how she reacts. So okay, so we are just heading towards her room. Okay, now what she is doing, she is possibly talking with her friends, because it is already 12 and everyone is wishing her. So let me see. Dee,
What?
happy birthday.
Nice.
Obviously, like,
Oh,
for you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm filming, okay, because I'm planning to do a vlog kind of a thing. And so I just want you to open this in front of the camera so that we can share it. Yes, so that we can share it with our friends.
Can you read this?
Ha ha ha, magic.
Okay. Should I open it?
Yeah, obviously you can.
Oh. Hey, this is nice. What is game time?
Okay, that is something interesting. Are you done with the other layers?
Yeah, okay. There is heavy, lots of love. What coming in my life? I opened fall short of word in order to express my love for you, but you are the last person who I love this much. Oh, we love you.
Oh, I love you too. Now it's game time. Now it's game
There are a
time.
lot of things.
Ha. So it will take time, na. So let's see this game thing.
So I have to put it out?
Yeah,
Yes.
and then you have to read it out. Like, choose any number. No. I think I'm forgetting something. Wait. Oh my god. So here you have to choose any number. From here you have to select any random number.
Okay. 2.
2. Okay, so 2. You have to open. You give it to me.
This one?
Yeah. Can you just hold the camera for me?
Yeah, sure.
So basically you need to choose. Wait. We got the number 2, right?
Yes.
So basically you have to choose any 2 number from here.
2 number?
Like any number of this 2, 7 or 8.
8.
8, okay, nice. So you have a task. Now this task will give you the permission to open this lid, okay?
What the?
Yes. So it is written that you have to sing any new Bengali song in order to open this lid.
New Bengali song?
Yes, mine. কারণে অকারণ Yay, nice. So it's time. You're allowed to open the other lid also So please, madam, carry on. Yes, of course you can.
Oh. Oh my god, this is.
Do you like it?
Yes.
These earrings?
Oh my god. Okay. Can I open this one by one?
Yeah, sure.
This box also has something.
Yeah, it has. If you have time, then you can just open them later also.
Yeah.
Let's just open this lid first, okay? I just want to say you happy birthday, like happy birthday, happiest birthday
Okay,
ever.
there are a lot of happy birthday. Thank you so much. We love you a lot.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my god, another jewelry. Let's open all of them.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And now don't be so formal. Huh.
Okay. Here is a earring.
Yeah. Okay, all these are purchased from Insta seller, and that jewelry which you got,
This one?
yeah, this one is made by me.
You made it?
Yep.
Oh my god. So pretty. These are so pretty. You know me so well.
Ha
So good. Oh wow. So nice. Thanks a lot. And what's this one? This was a earring.
Yeah.
Okay, my god. I was in search of this for so
I
long
knew
time.
it that you love this kind of earrings.
Thank you so much. So pretty. Oh my god. And let me open this. This you made by your own hand. Oh wow. My god. Can you wear this right now?
Yeah, sure. I would be the happiest person if you wear it. Did you like it?
Yeah, this is so good.
Will you wear it?
Yeah, sure. Baby, this is.
I loved it, like how it's turning out.
By the way.
Yeah, you're looking nice because always when you wear silver jewelry, you look so damn
This is
gorgeous.
so good. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much.
So hey guys, that was our birthday vlog, and these are the gifts.
Yeah, and we thought to shoot a proper birthday vlog. I mean, but you know, it's.
Yeah, we actually planned that we will shoot it Sunday, like from morning to night. What are the plans and what everything is happening. But as you know, that we are not going to anyone in our house. No one is invited or something. So I just planned that let me shoot this gift
I'm
thing.
so shocked that she did this, and I'm so happy because every birthday she used to make something or other for me, and I thought this birthday will be something different because she's also busy. I mean, not busy, but busy with online classes and stuff. But finally, she did it. I love you.
So this was it. I hope you all enjoyed and we shared everything without hiding anything.
I mean, this year I share my birthday with you guys also.
Yeah,
So
actually, that's the most
thing.
important thing.
And thank you so much. And
For watching the video to this point, like the main point where I'm just.
I mean, we know that it's not that professional because you know we are not that much equipped right now. So we are doing it with all phones and stuff.
Yeah,
so,
only phone camera, nothing
Yeah,
else.
I think you guys will like it, and if you do, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe our channel if you haven't already, and also click on the bell button so that every time we upload a new video, you won't get a buzz. And also, I love you all. So for now, bye bye.
Take care.
Of course, take care. It's the the most important thing of all the time, and at least now, is the need of the hour that you take care of yourself, because to be happy and to be good in this time is very important than anything else. So yeah, thank you all. Bye. Take care.